one of the things that really attracted me to this project was that it was built on the site of an old coal mine, which was a big scar in the landscape. I was really intrigued by this idea of being transformed from an open sore into something of beauty. And not just beauty, but also ecological balance. I love the whole principle of forest succession, how the natural woods takes over naked land. And it goes through these processes where the landscape begins to heal itself. So this particular piece is kind of exploring that whole dynamic of succession. I had this idea of this really clean cone mound of coal. And I had this idea of logs representing trees radiating outward. And I thought, well, let's just burn the ends of them. And we'll lean the burnt ends up around the coal. Let's move that line to where I'm standing, and then we'll make a smooth curve connecting to about where you are and bringing it here. I love this because it's like painting with a giant brush, One of the principles that I really live by as an artist is that of allowing the creative process to change over time. When I'm working on a painting, right, typically things go along great, and then there comes a point where I'm just frustrated and I realize that I've gotten in my own way. So this is good, because there's always a stage where you're thinking too much. So we're there, and now we just got to do it while we're not in our own way. The main thing that I want from visitors that come to this piece is some sort of personal transformation. I want them to have a personal relationship, a personal connection to nature, and then walk away and remember that they had that connection.